sink is broken there. I don't know if you can see it, but the wall just gives. Look at all the junk these people left here, man. Guys, you sure you want to be investors? Hey guys, so in this video here, I want to share with you why going bigger is better. So I have this duplex here that I've made some content actually before. When I bought it, was a fire property I purchased a few years ago, and I had 2 tenants here. And I say I don't buy single families because single families, when someone leaves, you got 100% vacancy. And this has never happened to me before. However, it happened to me now. There's a first time for everything, right? You do things long enough, and before you know it, you go through enough stuff, right? So I have this duplex, and both people left at the same time. I got a bunch of money I got to put into this property. And this is why going bigger and having more units, so the number of units, the more number of units you have, number one, is the easier it is to get finance. Number two, is less risk for the bank. And number three, is less risk for yourself as an investor, because if I would have had one vacancy, I would have been at 50% occupancy or 50% vacancy, however you want to slice it. I now have both of them at the same time. I have 100% vacancy. Coming in here, come join me, come see what we have to do and all the work we have to put in there. Okay guys, so this is my duplex here. It's in a great neighborhood. Now I'm the ugly house in the block, right? Because my grass is not cut. And this is my house, right? This is before Kingston. And let's go see in here. Okay, so we're touching up paint here. It's not horrible this side. I'm not sure what we're doing with the kitchen here. I think we're gonna just change the countertops here. New floor throughout. Touch up. How's it looking upstairs? So we're putting new sink. It's broken there. Basically touch up. We're putting new floor throughout, right, Jamie?
Carpet up here, remember? Downstairs when
carpet in this room, in the rooms.
Oh wait, yeah. Other than
all second floor.
Except for the hallway and the bathrooms. We'll do,
Those doorknobs are super expensive, and I put them in every room, and they took them out of this door.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the other unit, and in this unit, what are we doing in this unit, Jake? We're changing, are we doing the kitchen in this one?
So we're doing the same thing on the other side where we're
changing the counters.
New floor, new countertops.
New flooring, changing the counters.
Yeah.
Cleaning these, this is a rental, so we're just cleaning.
Yeah, it's gonna get clean and
cleaning these
up.
And we're gonna put new floors on the whole first floor throughout. As you see, this is quite dirty. And this is where they fixed did they fix stuff here? So on this side here, we had to replace some of there was termite damage here, right, Jake?
Yeah.
And we had to replace and add supports. Look at all the junk these people left here, man. Guys, you sure you want to be investors? Look at this, right? You got to be ready and willing to deal with this stuff. We had to reinforce all of this. Wow, this is straight now.
yeah. Oh yeah, it's level straight.
We had to reinforce these stairs. We're gonna be putting carpet up here, right? Same strategy?
Yeah.
Carpet throughout, commercial grade carpet. I mean, here we are. This is what it is. When you make a bad choice, pick a bad tenant, this is the price. All right, so check this out, guys. This thing is just, I don't know if you can see it, but the wall just gives. Okay, guys, so what is there to learn from me here? What is there to learn from me? There's always a lesson, right? It's either you win or you learn, right? And I didn't win here for sure. I'm freaking learning for sure here. My old property manager picked those people that I put in there. Bad choice. That's why she's no longer with me. Make mistakes too, right? As much as we, the lesson is it doesn't matter how good people present themselves at the beginning. Sometimes people go bad. The person that I had there, believe it or not, was an older lady in her 70s with 2 grandchildren, the one with the bad side, the one that you saw really, really bad. And she started off real nice, and towards the end of the lease, it was every other week she was calling for something. It just became a nagging type of situation. And we decided we weren't going to renew. And look at what she did, right? Look at how she left that. In the future, any of you come to me asking me about how to select tenants and I see certain behaviors, I'll say, hey, that behavior reminds me of that old lady that did that to me over there. So anyways, take it with a grain of salt, right? You live, you learn, you get better. You live, you learn, you get better. Hopefully next time I'll get even better, right? So appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. Like and subscribe. You like this channel, share. If anyone needs to see this or anyone needs to learn this, about to go across the street and grab a coffee before I head to my next property. Peace out. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.